All right, let's talk about something real. We're diving into the AI productivity hacks that can literally give you back a huge chunk of your week. I'm talking about reclaiming as much as 20 hours. So, if you're tired of that feeling of being busy all the time, but, not actually getting anything done, stick around because this one's for you.
I mean, you know that feeling, right? Your workday is just busted. It's back-to-back meetings, it's an inbox that's literally overflowing, constant pings and notifications, and at the end of the day, you look up and think, what did I actually accomplish? It feels like you're just spinning your wheels in the mud, going nowhere fast. And here's the crazy part. It's not just a feeling, it's a fact. Data from Microsoft shows that the average knowledge worker spends a staggering 60%, 60% of their day on what they call work about work. We're talking coordinating, emailing, meetings about meetings, all the stuff that isn't the real work. That leaves you with only 40% of your time for the deep, focused stuff that actually moves the needle. It's no wonder everyone is completely burned out. So, what if you could just flip that script? Well, you can. This is where AI stops being a shiny new toy and becomes an actual cheat code for your work life. Look, AI is everywhere now, but most people are only just scratching the surface. The real game changer is learning how to use it strategically.
And the proof? Oh, it's already rolling in. Let's hit some quick numbers here. First up, a McKinsey study found that 74% of people who are already using AI are seeing a major boost in their efficiency. That's 3 out of every 4 people.
And we're not talking a small boost either. Get this. Harvard Business Review found that people using AI for stuff like writing or coding are finishing their work up to 40% faster. Just think about that for a second. That's almost cutting your time on a task in half.
And on a massive global scale, PwC estimates that by 2030, businesses could be saving, wait for it, $2.6 trillion a year, just by automating the boring stuff. This isn't some minor trend, folks. This is a seismic shift in how work gets done, period.
Okay, so how do you tap into this power, like right now? Well, we're about to go on a lightning round of the absolute best AI hacks and tools that you can start using today to get that time back. You ready? Let's do this.
First up, hack number 1. Let's talk about content creation. Writing blogs, emails, social posts, it can be a total time-sucking monster, right? Well, with a tool like ChatGPT, it's like having this super caffeinated intern who literally never sleeps and is ready to draft anything you throw at them instantly.
And the workflow? It becomes ridiculously simple. You can start by grabbing some facts and stats with another tool, say Perplexity, then you just ask ChatGPT to write the first draft. After that, a quick prompt to tweak the tone so it sounds more like you, and boom, you can instantly splinter that one blog post into a dozen social media updates. And this isn't just theory. The results are real. Check this out. A marketing agency in Delhi did this exact workflow, and they slashed their time for writing a blog post from 6 hours all the way down to just 90 minutes. That gave them 100 extra hours a month to spend on big-picture strategy instead of just, writing.
All right, hack number 2, visuals. We all know a great image makes people stop scrolling, but finding or creating them, it can take hours. This is where our tool like DALL-E 3 is a total game changer. It lets you generate completely custom, on-brand illustrations in, seconds.
And the process for this is, well, it's almost laughably simple. You just write a clear, descriptive prompt, something like a flat-style illustration of a team happily saving time with AI tools using a blue and orange color palette. DALL-E spits out the image, and you can immediately use it across all your platforms. Done.
And listen, this isn't just about saving time. It's about saving cold, hard cash. There's this one personal finance blogger who completely ditched their expensive stock photo subscriptions. They started creating over 40 unique images a month with DALL-E. The result? They saved over 30,000 rupees every single month. That's huge.
Okay, hack number 3. And be honest, who here has fallen deep into a Google rabbit hole? You go looking for one simple stat, and 3 hours later, you've got 25 tabs open, a headache, and you've forgotten what you were even looking for. Well, Perplexity AI is the antidote to that chaos. It's built to give you direct answers, not just a wall of links to sort through.
Your whole research workflow just changes completely. Instead of digging through ads and SEO-optimized fluff, you just ask a specific question. What you get back is a clean, concise answer with all the sources cited right there for you. You can then share those findings with your team and, honestly, look like an absolute research genius.
And yeah, this is a total game changer. A content strategist told us her research time for a standard article plummeted from 2 hours, down to just 15 minutes. No joke. That's turning a fact-checking marathon into a super quick sprint.
Okay, so we've looked at individual hacks for content, for visuals, for research. They're all great on their own. But what happens when you start stacking them all together? Well, my friends, this is where the real magic happens.
So let's just ask the big question, shall we? What does all this actually mean for your work week? What's the real cumulative impact? How many hours can you genuinely get back?
Okay, let's break it all down. If you use ChatGPT for writing, you could easily save 3 to 4 hours a week. DALL-E for visuals, that's another 2 to 3 hours. And for the developers out there, GitHub Copilot is just insane, saving 5 to 7 hours. You throw Perplexity in there for research, and you are looking at a grand total of 15 to 20 hours back in your week. That's basically the equivalent of an entire part-time job's worth of work that you just don't have to do anymore.
All right, so reclaiming 20 hours a week sounds pretty amazing, right? But what's the next step? How do you actually put this into practice and finally start working smart and ditching the grind?
But before we get to the action plan, let's just address the elephant in the room. Because I know it's the question on everyone's mind. Okay, this is great, but will AI take my job? The short answer? No. The reality is that AI isn't coming for jobs, it's coming for tasks. It's going to snatch all the boring, repetitive parts of your day. The mindless copy-pasting, the data entry, and that frees you up to do the creative, strategic, big brain work that, honestly, only humans can do. So here's your game plan, and it's super simple. Number 1, don't overthink this. Number 2, just pick one tool we talked about. Maybe it's ChatGPT, maybe it's Perplexity. Just try one for a week. Then, step 3, just see how much time you claw back. Once you get the hang of it, then you can start stacking on more hacks. And that really brings us to the final, most important point. The goal here isn't just about being more productive for the sake of it. It's about reclaiming your life. So I'm going to leave you with this one question to chew on. If you really had an extra 20 hours every single week, what would you do with all that time?